Okay, welcome again to our three confirmation channel. Today we're gonna see how to trade US30 using three confirmation as our channel name. Okay, we just see the US30 drop the harder, have bigger impulse on one time frame. So we are just trying to see if we can spot any buy trade. If we see any sign of reversal, we can spot and buy a buy trade on this US30. Okay, let's see if we're gonna get on any sign of reversal. Yes, we drop the harder to the downside. And let's check if we can get a sign of reversal on US30. Okay. Okay, look like it continuing to drop downside. Remember, we are looking for free confirmation to take any trade. Okay. Now we have a first confirmation. Yes, we have this shoulder and this shoulder. This head. So this is the head and shoulder. This is one of the sign of reverse. We can take this as confirmation number one, head and shoulder. Okay. Number one, let's add text here, head and shoulder. Okay, let's see if we can get another confirmation. Yeah. After this, head and shoulder, we have a break out to the upside. Break this W formation here. As you see, we have this one and break. Okay, so in order to take this trade, we need these candles to retest it down here to form another confirmation for us to take the trade. Okay. Confirmation number two, break of structure. BOCH, break of character. Okay. We are waiting for rejection. See if we are getting, yes. We have rejected on our area of interest. Okay, let's see if we get a confirmation on small time frame. Let's take a look on 15 minutes. See if you can spot any confirmation to buy on this small time frame. Okay. Yes. Now we rejected on our area of interest. Then we got an engulfing candle on small time frame. So we are going to buy here, stop loss below this area of interest, like 160 ticks. So we just need it clear. If you look on 1 hour chart, 1 hour chart. Sorry. Let's go back to 15 minutes. On 1 hour chart, we just saw the area where we want our TP to be. Because we have a huge impulse to the downside, so we need our market to clear this impulse. So we can put our take profit here. This is like 1-to-4 risk to reward ratio. Let's see if we are going to get this profit. Okay. Okay. Once we have a big move to the upward, we need to move our stop loss to secure some profit. So this is our new SL. If you have a small capital, you can cross this trade once reached this area. Yes. As you see, our TP was hit successful. Okay, that is it for this video. Remember to subscribe, like, and comment on our channel so you can continue to get more video like this. Remember, this is 3 confirmation channel where we take a trade based on 3 confirmation. Thank you. Ciao.